Let's see how to add text watermark in Excel. Now go to Insert and then Text box. Here you can write any text, like your website. You can change text color, text 3D style, and many effects. Now the transparency level is up to 70 or 80. Now you can rotate your watermark and go anywhere you like. If you got any benefit from watching my videos, please subscribe my channel.